morning here at the Fox and Hounds accommodation. With that, it's time to leave towards Arthur and then hit the road. Always do the one over when we check out of a room. Look at this lake, river. I'm not sure which one it is. Anyways, bye. Thank you, Fox and Hounds. Yeah, ready to go. Fox and Hounds Historic Hotel. Isn't it cute? Key drop off, room 27. You've been great for the past 2 nights. How's this supposed to? Just like that? This thing's not gonna fit. I'm just gonna go inside and hopefully someone's at the desk. Good, you're just checking out. All right, thank you. Oh, good. Beautiful. Already I see 4 flushing toilets, so this place gets 10 out of 10 in my books. I haven't even set foot in the park. This is a pretty advanced, futuristic national park. They don't have the archaic method where there's like this 100-year-old lady sitting at a booth that you pay the fees to. You just scan the QR code, you go online, register your vehicle, pay $41 to have 24-hour access to the national park, and that's how they could afford to have really nice toilets. You have the choice. You got 4 there or 4 there. Okay, you're going there. I'm gonna go there. It's got one of those flappy bits. And you activate this pump here. And that flushes that. So they said on the board that if you're lucky, you might spot an echidna or a wallaby. Some seabirds. There's always an option.
You always find yourself the funniest. You
Yes.
always laugh the hardest.
I'm my biggest fan. Nobody watches this vlog more than I do. Oh, that's high. Guess what, Patterson? We're at your arch right over there. There's like a little overhanging rock bit off the cliff. I'm sure people have taken photos dangling their legs there. The Antoine Bigards of the world and the Anthony Bermejos would hang, and I'd be shitting bricks watching. I wouldn't be able to watch anybody sit on that edge. They have these fences here. It gives me so much security. This is a, whew, it's like a nice diaper. Support, catch my bowels.
I wonder where the arch used to be.
You were surrounded. That's a proper vlogging camera. Maybe if YouTube starts paying me for ad revenue.
Oh my god,
The Asians have landed. Oh, and look at the perm on this one. She looks like fucking not Bob Marley, Bob Dylan. Oh, hello, Mitsubishi Lancer. Just $60 a day for this Mitsubishi Lancer. Thanks to Total Car Rentals in Launceston, and also hooking us up with the free camping gear.
It's a really short skirt.
Yeah, I was like trying to give my lines, but that girl's skirt was really
I'm pretty sure it was a t-shirt.
Yeah, probably a t-shirt. Yeah, bring the wraps. Like, there's a picnic table over there. This is the drinking rule where whenever we eat a wrap, you have to take a drink because we eat them quite often. Good amount of wind today, so the blowhole should be blowing pretty hard. Blow. I hear like subtle blowings. I don't know if that's enough.
Subtle blowings.
Woo! That's the one. With the big hair. See the hair? There's even a food truck over there called Delicious Ice Cream. They sell ice creams and fish and chips. Fish of the day, gem fish, arrow squid, bag of chips, the Thai fish cakes, fish burger, fish wrap, fisherman's cone, fish and chips, squid and chips, scallop and chips, prawns and chips. And they do banana splits. Why are you hitting me?
Fresh oysters, half a dozen for 13 or a dozen for 23. Back in New Zealand, real fruit ice cream.
Dairy ice cream.
Literally just like a vanilla, but it's just like
with color.
Yeah. Would you like it in a cup?
In a cone, please.
Yep. Here's the coconut.
All right, thank you.
I guess the guy that I saw with the cone, he already half ate these because it looked really small.
It's a good thing I didn't go with the double. Dairy-free coconut. Come here. Ling's enjoying her creamy treat outside. I'm enjoying my creamy, dairy-free delight inside. Tessellated rocks. Water passes through, the salt crystals push the rocks in either direction. Alright, what we got here is some lobes. They kind of protrude out. And on the flip side, you have these inverted shapes, trays. They're so bloody straight. It's like someone took a knife and went shoo.
It's evidence of aliens having come down to Earth millions of years ago. Like a little pool in the shape of a triangle.
Time for an ice-cold, refreshing energy drink. Nothing like a V. Oh, lady needs to grab her shit in the trunk. Wow, we just arrived in Hobart. We were at the Pickled Frog Backpackers. We're just gonna check in, drop our stuff off, and then we can get to explore in Hobart. Wow. So this is a completely new and separate unit from the backpacker portion of the Pickled Frog.
What we're paying for this, I think it's $20 more a night than for a dorm.
And the bathroom.
They have the heater lights.
I feel it. Massive shower, man. This is like, look at this. New countertops, new tiling. This is all freaking brand new. Like renovated shit.
Really driving.
No, we will not, because Hobart is rammed with these scooters. If you can't find a beam, they've got neurons. That's how we're gonna get around this city.
That's why it's kind of unfortunate that we have a rental car.
Oh, because we're here for 4 days?
We're paying for it and we might not even use it that much.
Oh well. I'm just happy to be here. My God, Hobart. It also feels warmer up here. So these are all the new units. That green building, hard to miss, that's the backpackers. That's where the poor people stay. No, I'm just joking. We pay more to stay here, but it's just easier when you're two people. You might as well pay an extra $20 to have your own space. Hey?
Bye, go get the car. Kind of a tight squeeze, it seems.